Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit text using online PDF editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my browser and I have searched for online PDF editor, and there will be some websites appear on your browser, and I recommend you to select this one, search.com. And you have to click on this website to open it, and then just upload your PDF file you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to choose this file. Okay, and after that, if you want to edit the text, you just need to select this text option, and you can click on the text you want to edit. I'm going to edit this text. For instance, I'm going to delete it and I'm going to replace it with new one, like this. Okay, and after that you just need to click on apply changes, and then we can click on download if we are ready to download it, or we can back to editing. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit text in PDF with online PDF editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.